Holy moly. You're late. Thank you. The Gigamplify. Yeah, how are we all doing today? Yeah, there it is. There's the Gigamplify. Holy. Yeah, this one's really big. Yeah, there's another one behind it. Oh, there's both of them are behind that first big Fimsh. There's no point for me switching scenes right now. Amazing. Thank you, Lane. All right. Um, we have very few tasks left. You can see all of them right there. I mean, most of all of them, because like this one has like 3 underneath it, and then this one has like, oh shit, there's more bugs than I. Oh no. Oh no, there's more bugs than I thought there was. I thought there was like 2, maybe 2. But yeah, this is all we have left to do. And then we're pogging, I think. Yeah, where did they go? I should tweak the Gigamplified Finch code some more. But also, where's our to-do list? It's gone. It's gone. Oh yeah, here we are. Here it is. Hello. Yeah, those were big Fimshes. Yeah, I can't wait to work on the overlay again. I've been so dedicated to this long Fimsh thing that uh I've neglected everything else. Neglectma. But yeah, I don't know what we'll start on first, but like a big one that's probably easy is like HTML cannot disconnect, and I'm not sure why this happens. Was this tabbed out has issues? Oh yeah, this is tabbed out is important. HTML cannot disconnect. That's important if we want to keep it in there, which I think we do. This is important. Yeah, the bugs are important. I don't know why I thought they wouldn't be. Of course they're important. But I guess some are like more gameplay than otherwise. Yo, I'm so keen for this. Oh, that reminds me. Hang on. um, hang on. There's something I need to do. Wait. 1 sec. Mm, 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 mm. I need to. What am I doing? Where's our food? Food. Food sucked. Why did I name that food sucked? Here we are. Food sucked. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it came back. Yo, you're the big Fimsh is back. Holy, I went on a holiday. Um uh mm, mm. I'm almost done, and then we can get into the finishing like I kind of want to add skins, but we don't have any textures for that yet. um Um. Okay. Wait. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, so am I able to? So if I open a new tab and then we go F12 and then I go Owlkaline along Fimsh. Where did I put this? Was it under long Fimsh? Oh no, it's under owlkaline.github.io. Yeah. So let me just see if I can get the error to occur again. So the server's still up, that's a good sign, and now we go disconnect. Yeah, DOM exception. Operation is not supported, WebSocket closed. Okay, I'm gonna look it up. Godot WebSocket peer disconnect HTML DOM operation not supported. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Yeah. Okay, WebSocket. Typically, when using WebSocket features an environment that doesn't blah blah blah. I'm showing WebSocket implementation, blah blah blah. Okay, WebSocket web regression, WebSocket peer issue. Get close code. Okay, socket connect to URL. State get ready, state open, state closing, keep pulling to achieve proper close, state closed. Right. What if I just get the server to do it? I think we can just get the server to do it. Um. Because I think that will solve our issues. Yeah, okay, let's get the server to do it. So we need a new packet. Yeah, we'll duplicate assign ID. Duplicate. Disconnect user. Player. Yeah, disconnect player. Copy, paste. Request disconnect. I'm gonna call this request disconnect. Because that is what it is. This. We don't have any remote IDs. And I think that's it. That's fine. Let me rename this. Request disconnect. Save. Yo, Sarah, hello. Yo, my Windows broke today. I installed Star Rail on Linux, which does mean I can stream Star Rail now. I do have a lot of content to go through in Star Rail. Like, I gotta farm up. I think I decided I'm gonna farm up all of my accounts. I think I'm going all in. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I need to work out if I can run four at the same time. Because if I can, yeah, thanks for the headband. If I can run four, I could do a stream where we have like 4 games running at the same time, and really I'm like farming in all of them, and that would be like, I don't know, maybe we put on a video as well, just like full stimulation. uh but yeah, I've been making through all the content that has like 15 days left to go or something on the accounts, just all of them. Sounds like a fun time. Yeah, I just need to see if I can run both, more than one. Because on Windows, I checked today before it broke. If you try to run it again, it's like, oh, there's already an instance of the game running, closing now. Um, yeah, but it's pretty cool. Like, I had an issue where I did what I usually do, which is holy, um 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 where when I install a Proton thing, I let it do its thing, and then I symbolically link the game data to my external drive, and I did that. But then the launcher was like, oh, you don't have enough room, because it was checking my main drive instead of the one it was actually going to install to. And I tried all sorts of things, and it wouldn't stop checking the main drive, and so I had to uninstall and then go again through Lutris, but install it directly on my external drive, and then it worked fine. So yeah, you still have like 2K left in protein, right? Yeah, I am about to finish that. I am at like level 101, or did I get to 106 the last run on my main account? But then all of my other accounts, they're like level 3. They're like they're like level 3. So I think I'm gonna do all the limited events on all the accounts, finish protein on my main account, and then start farming protein on my second main account, or like whatever is the account is most second most important. But if I can farm more than one at a time, or like even two, my phone and desktop, well, two was before phone and desktop. If I can farm multiple on my desktop, I can do all 4 proteins at once. You're at 51, yeah. Yeah, I thought I used to think it was a pain, but it's kind of chill. Well, my current account, I just been vibing through like X6 and X7 and all that. um, and it's been a nice time, but like they also have not only have the Saber team where Saber is E2, but they also have E1 Yao and Sparkle with their Light Cone team. So those are both correct teams. Um, mm, 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 mm. Holy. Let me have a look. Get long Fimsh assets save. Let me have a look. Fimsh. If I go to the sprite here, and then we go assets, boom. Okay, it does work. Nice. Oh, what? Wait, it's bigger. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. It's all good. Uh, oh yeah. Let me get this one as well. Save. What is this to it? Yeah. Okay. But what we can do, okay. Um, okay, Clover. You think of the water? Yeah, I left my water. Hang on, let me grab my water. Oh, oh. Okay. Nope. Oh. Okay. I got my water. I had some water. Now I'm getting attacked. I hate it when you sit down and get attacked. It's like, I guess it is what it is. Okay. Waterma. We'll get to this in a second. Okay, so what? Oh, the hang on, I got distracted. We're doing request disconnect of an ID. Uh, that's not what I wanted. Hmm. Hang on, I gotta see what this looks like. Oh, yo. That does look cool. Hmm. Hmm. So I'm thinking. Um. mm, yeah, and it's all within the hitbox regardless. Yeah, I think we're fine. Mm, What am I looking for now? Request disconnect. So a client requests a disconnect. So we head over to network server. Yeah. This is where we are. And then if packet info dot request packet type request. Oh, I haven't made a request disconnect. Let's pass for now. Um, um yeah, we need to make this packet type. I currently do not have this. Packet info. Yeah, request disconnect. This is going to be 9. Save. We come back to server. Yeah. We have request disconnect. And this comes from PS, so we go network. Oops. Network signals dot PS PID close. Then we return, I guess. Then everything else should trigger off of that, including the client. But now we need to send it. So we go to the menu where we have the disconnect button, right? Do we have it attached here? Error label menu settings. No, it's under settings. It's under the settings scenes menu settings. And we hop into here. Okay, where's disconnect? Disconnect from server. Yeah, disconnect client. Ooh, do I leave this in? No. I do this, and then we go if. No, there's no if. It's just request disconnect dot create network signals dot no clients network dot id, and then we send this to network signals dot client. We send this to the server, I think. Oh, I forgot to change the parameters. That's not good. Sign Fimsh. Request disconnect. Yeah, there's no remote IDs. Save. Oh, is that right? Yeah, there's no remote IDs. This is just +1, 1 + 4. And I think that's it. Then we go play. Let me just make sure it runs. Yeah, it does. Disconnect. Yeah. Wait, I need to update the... Well, I don't need to update the server. What I do need to do is... Heck. What do I need to do? I need to run it locally. Okay, if I run it locally, where do I get? Is it under menu? Is under menu where we get the URL? Yeah, it is. We host it locally and connect locally now. Yeah, that's it. And then we click customize instance multiple 3, make the first one headless, okay. Now we click play. Disconnect. Okay, that's fine. Okay, what if I need to export this into HTML? I think export HTML. This one. Export project. Save. Close this. They need owlkaline.github.io. Yeah, we get rid of index. We rename this to index.html. Can I just open this with Firefox and will it just work? No. I need a simple HTTP thing, right? Yeah, okay, I think I got one. I've done this enough that I just have one laying around. Oh yeah, it works. Now I click play on the local thing, and then over here I click this, and then we go disconnect. Okay, that also dies, which is what we want, but it didn't go back to the menu. Is it the fact we're calling that function at all? Maybe we just need to check if we're on HTML or not. So that's under settings, that's under here. So what if we get rid of this? Maybe just click play. Client play. Then if we go disconnect here. Oh wait, it doesn't, we didn't disconnect. It didn't disconnect, why not? Oh. Save. Let's have a look. 2D. Food. Oh yeah, this should be different enough. Assets. Wait, this is a lot bigger. Oh, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, I see. So is that versus what does this look like in game? Okay, and what does this look like in game? Like, yeah. Food, green Fimsh food. Right, disconnect. Menu settings. Okay, here we go. Well, disconnect. If we eat food, we're still in the server, and I go disconnect. We can still eat food. That's not good. Are we connecting to the correct server is my next question. What is wrong with this? Packet type with index 0 unknown. Network signals 69. Yo. 69. Oh, okay. What's the one before this? Network signals 147. 147. Here, pulp here. Okay. Network signals 96. If it is the server, emits. Oh, packet type with index 0. Wait, what? PID ID. This is that. What do you mean, packet type? 82? Wait, how does it? Oh, no. It's server network. 82. Oh, here. Oh, did I do the number wrong? Oh no, I know what I did wrong. Packet info, yeah, request disconnect. Yeah, this is request disconnect. That's what I was missing. Now if we click play. Yeah, I hate that I can't auto capture the game. It kind of sucks. We go play. Wait, that works. Okay, let me export it to web. Export. Save. And then get rid of index.html. Rename this to index.html. Let's run the local server again. Oh no. Oh wait, I'm not running the server. Of course it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Wait, it works? Okay. We need to add new bugs. 2 more bugs. Disconnect error. Menu error is incorrect on disconnecting from server. Menu flashes when connecting to our server that doesn't exist. Menu error is in the wrong place when window isn't default size. Wait, these are more things that need solving, but they're like lesser problems. I mean, they're still problems. Also, hello Oz. I forgot to say hi. Hello, hi, welcome in. Yeah, okay. Thinking. Wait, is there 2 textures? Oh, we don't clean the food. Okay, hang on. I was like, is there 2 sets of food in the one place? And the answer to that is yes. I did not clean the food. Game. I need the game scene actually. Game scene. Food spawner. We need to clean up one, right? Yeah, because we just have the remove child thing, so we go for child and get children. Child Q3. Yeah, nice. Boundary. This is on ready. Yeah, that's fine. Stop. Play. Perfect. I go disconnect. Play again. Perfect. We right. So we fixed the web thing. We fixed the web problem. Although we have a new error. Does that appear anywhere? We have a new error that only shows up in the terminal. Attempt to disconnect a non-existent connection. Where is settings here? Oh. Attempt to disconnect food spawner. This is part of the food spawner apparently. Under 38. 38. This is not right. Node food spawner.gd server start. On server start. Huh? Network signals. Okay. So let's follow this along. So network signals. It says node number blah. Signal on server start. Oh, that's this one. This signal. Callable node food spawner. So start. Attempt to disconnect connection from that's on server start node. Oh, food spawner. That's not what I wanted. So here we connected here. Oh, exit tree. On server start. Why does this have an issue? Oh wait, spawn initial food. And also we're connected to these. We copy this, paste that here. Disconnect. Same. And that should be that. Okay, so if I stop and we go play. Client, play. Disconnect. Okay, we don't have the issue anymore. Okay, this is warning camera 0 disconnected. Oh, it's probably one of my warnings, right? Yeah, okay. It's not narrow though. It's like, yeah, appear get disconnected. Yeah, that's our own warnings. That's fine. Yeah. We have to go through and what's it called? Fix up some stuff with status. Add scenes, packet handler, config, global config, network, status, and export. Oh, what is in cats? Export resets. The question is, do we want this or not? It's the list. Wait, commit. Fix HTML, not disconnect. Let's go push. Wait, what else do we need to do? Oh wait, I need a, yeah. We can take this off. This bug is done. Tell that that's fine. Fimsh tail don't become mid parts on joining. Oh yeah, that's fine. When last player dies, oh yeah, I need to do this as well. Menu is incorrect. Menu error is incorrect. Oh yeah, okay. We can probably fix the menu error stuff. Blue flowers. Maybe blue so cool. Credits. Oh yeah, what I can do is currently, if the server is not running, which I can test by just opening the web browser and clicking connect. We do get the error, but also it hides itself too soon. The menu hides itself too soon. So this is the menu, right? Yeah. So client pressed. Yeah, this visible false should not be visible false. what this should be is we need to move this to I think it is network signals on connect to server, connect, hide menu, and here we go, bonk hide menu, boom, not boom, boom, oh shit, star rail. Yeah, I show off all my star rail accounts. I mean, it's not the first time I've done that, but like, I can, because I could have also played Star Rail on stream with my phone with the little nice thing. Wait, so now if I disconnect, that's fine. What I wanted to do is if I go debug run custom instances and we just go down to 1 without any launch arguments. Okay, and then we click play. Wait, perfect, nice. Wait, stop that. We can tick off menu flashes when connecting to a server that doesn't exist. That's ticked off. Done. Oh man, so many small things. Errors in wrong place. Why is that the case? This is the menu. That's fine. Error label. This should be in the right place. I mean, 1 is not centered right now. Wait, why does it not scale? Okay, it definitely is not in the right place. Oh. Vertical container. Client, so what if I just put this in here as part of the vertical container and then I click play? Oh. Oh, it moves the button and it fucks everything up. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring that back out. What it will be nice to do is if we can get rid of that. If I just put like, oh yeah, we do have a text in there. If we put this underneath, how was it even below before? Below before? I think we just need a new vertical box. We go V box, and we put this inside the V box and this, and then we add another control node. We just put that in between those, and then we just make its minimum height like 10. Save this. Now if I click play, hello Pierre, hi. Yeah, okay, nice. And then if I make it smaller, yeah, it stays in the same place. Hog. I think that's done. Let me export to browser to make sure. Export, save. Sorry, most of the stuff you can't see that I'm doing because the auto capture stuff doesn't work. You okay there? Yeah. Let me open up the browser version and then yeah, okay, nice. Now it doesn't go to the wrong place. That's perfect. I can tick that off then. Menu is in the wrong place, that's ticked off. Oh yeah, incorrect error. So currently when we click play, yeah, failed to connect to server when we connect to one that doesn't exist. But if I enable instances again, we go headless. Okay, now we click play. And if I disconnect, yeah, okay, on disconnect it shows up. Fail to connect to server. Yeah, this is what happens. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Ooh. I'm having this drink. It has a monkey on it. It's called the Real Cola. 0 extra caffeine. It tastes interesting. Very nice. Okay, so okay, the way this works, we need it to not be like this, which is client. So they're all client on ready. Connect that for blah 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 on client package. Manage IDs. Maybe it's under network signals. Start server. Start client. This never happens. We go. This never happens. We get to the polling, right? Because if we process, yeah, this one client, which is just poll client, and under poll, if we're ready, that's fine. State closing, state closed. Do we ever get here? But if I go push warning to states, save, and then I go debug, run instances, we just bring that back down to 1. Okay. Click play. Wait, so we got 0003. Okay. WebSockets peer dot. Oh, it won't tell me. It won't tell me. Okay. I presume 0 means not working. We'll go here. We'll go push warning. State is closed. I think it's this one. State is closed. Save. Click play. Client. Yeah, we get state is closed. Nice. So here, this is where we need to do a thing. This is where we'll go. We need a new signal, so we go. Is it a connect error? But how do I know? Because we do get the disconnected from server thing, which is this. Undisconnect from server. Hello. Yeah. Nope. Okay. Oh, if we never connected the server, then that's fine, right? Because we have a on connect to server. Okay, we come to menu. In here. Wait, we have this. hide menu on connect to server. Yeah. So that means what does that mean? Var connected to server boolean. This is equal to false by default. We'll just put it here. Connected to server equals false. And then when we do connect to a server, connected to server equals true. And then down here, we only do this. We go if connected to server before now. Then we go connected to server business. Right? Now if I click play client, oh wait, it didn't even what? Does this get called the on connect menu? Push warning connected to server. No, it does not. Wait, that's fine. Oh wait. This is if not connected to server. Right, this makes sense because now if I click play, yeah, okay. So now if we go into debug, customize instances, bring it back to 3, press play, connect, playing, disconnect. Yeah, it doesn't show up. Nice. Perfect. I kind of want to make a stats menu so you can see your ping. Thinking. Wait, that's fine. Yeah, we fixed that, so menu error is incorrect. Yeah, we fixed this one. That's another tick off the box. When last player dies or disconnects, doesn't return to game menu. Ooh, okay, that's a good one. So if I click play, do I have anything open? Kinda. I do this. Wait, this one I can show. This one I can show. So if we go here, so basically we go client, play, client, spectate, we're spectating, and then this one disconnects. And then this does nothing until we click a button. So what we need to do is um what is this? What am I looking for? So if we go to, what do we go to? Uh, the game, I guess. So what happens to player index, I guess, is my guess. So if you're watching a player Or probably nothing. Nothing play happens to it. You're just watching a player and then they get deleted. Oh wait, we have okay, wait. Here, push warning. Player spectating blind. Let's see if this comes up, because then we can put the functionality into spectate next player. Client play, client spectates, close. We did get a warning. Camera disabled, player disconnected. What is this? At send broadcast. Ready state is not equal to open. Packet info 36. 36. Yeah. Socket dot. Socket dot send. Where if socket is web socket peer, then will it let me? Yeah, okay. Ready state. If ready states is equal to state open. If ready states is state open. Yeah, we don't know. Well, where's our network stuff? It's just WebSocket peer. Okay. I need to do this actually. Where's packet? Yeah. So we just go if it is ready, then we send this stuff. Otherwise, we do not. Stop play clients. Oh, that's not right. Oh wait, maybe it is right. Play. This has just not ready. Wait, why does this have issues? We're not ready. If we are the server, we get the ID, we emit ID. Oh, what if I just do this first? Save. And then we come back to packet info. And then we go, if we are ready, then we can send data. Client spectate. Go again. Oh wait, we still got the error though. Where did we? Play, spectate, and then close this. Wait, and the menu still doesn't stay like this. It's still like this, and you're not spectating anyone until you click a button. Then it corrects itself. Yeah, I fixed the networking issue. That's good. That's very good indeed. All right. Do we have? I put a print line right. Spectating player, spectating died. Did that happen? It does not look like it. This is connected up, right? Client network. Player died, connect. This does receive player died, player died. If not spectated. Push warning a player died. Push warning we are currently spectating. Let's click play. Play, client spectates, kill this, and we stop everything. Yeah, currently spectating. Wait. A player died playing spec. Yeah. Okay. It does get called. Okay, nice. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so with that in mind, spectate next player is not handling the case when there is not enough things. Okay, yeah, here we go. Print next player index, and then here we go push warning save client play, client spectate, disconnect. And stop everything. Next player index 0. Camera 0 disabled, camera 0 enabled, camera 0 disabled. Yeah, okay. If player to spectate, we stop spectating. Player index is equal to -1. Okay, so is this a problem with this? So if we go to player spawner, let's print out the child count. Push warning, player count, child count, save, play, client play, client spectates. They disconnect, and then we stop all of this. Next child index, player count is 1. Okay, so we're doing it too early? Maybe? Well, what we can do actually is if we go to Wait, is this player index or player ID? This takes in an index. This returns an index. In our game, this is the player index. Oh. Oh wait, yeah, but we get the ID from the player itself, that's fine. Do we have the process update? Because what we can do is ready. This. We go func process. Here we go. If spectator menu if it is visible, and then we go if player who spectates is and not there's no player to spectate, then we want to stop spectating. Show game menu. Right? And then I click play. Client play. Client spectate. This client disconnects. Oh yeah, it works. Nice. Alright. Stop. Oh yeah, that's another one fixed. So when player dies or disconnect doesn't return to game menu. Yeah, nice. Easy clap. I don't know if we... Oh yeah, this. We need this. So the tails are not the right size. They aren't the right... Okay. Wait, so player, when we calculate size happens here. When we get a player from the server. Where is that? Not here. Broadcast curve. This sends it to the server, and then that gets sent to all the clients. But where does it get received? Oh, the spawner. Oh right, cause we manually set. Wait, what do we set? We don't set anything. Well, we calculate the size here. Wait, that's fine. So with all of this calculated, then the player gets played. Because we don't add tails here. No, there's no tail adding. So this happens all within the player. And so... head collision. Ready, enable camera, exit tree. Add tail. So we add the number of segments. This is, yeah. Head is equal to self. Segment number equals number of segments. I don't think that's right. Oh, it might be. Add child, update pathpoint max, get children if tail, update tail segment. Okay. So I know I have the update segment working correctly, but then what? So server client set points, player point value, calculate size. This is it. Oh yeah. So number of segments minus number of segments. Oh, if the number of current segments is less than the number of segments we need, we add a tail. Oh, we add them deferred, don't we? Is this why it's weird? No, we add it immediately. That's fine. So we instantiate it, we tell it what number it is. Yeah, we add it, we update pathpoint max, get children, get tail, update segment of all the segments, and then it happens again and again and again. And then we update the size of this. Update scale, set zoom, update scale, target scale. Okay, how do the tails update their size? Because maybe that will enlighten some other stuff. So that was the player. Where's the tail? Dynamic tail segment. Head get size over speed, time behind, that's fine. Physics project, head time, next, blah blah blah. None of this does size stuff. Wait, how do the tails ever change size? That doesn't make sense. Do we do that here? Find tail? Oh, it's probably when we update the scale, right? Update tail curve. Scale. Target scale. Where does this end up going? Left over side, size over time, grow speed. Scale that move towards at grow speed. And then what? Wait, how do the tails ever get bigger? Yeah, I'm confused now. Mm, mm. Update segment. Oh, yeah, it's under update segment. Oh, okay, so this will be fixed by when we update this. Spectate player, previous, spectate previous. Where's the player? So we need to click update segment. Oh wait, this does break the mid part though. Is there a better way to say if it's the tail or not? I think the answer to that is yes, but also no. Yeah, here we need to do update segment on all of the tails. We go for tail in get children, and then we go if tail is tail, then we go to the update segment, like so. This is updates tail size. Wait, yeah. We go if scale is less than target scale, then we just do this. I think. Well, that's not true actually. Let's just do it. Let's just keep it as is. I kind of don't like iterating over all the tails, but I'm not sure how else we do this. Well, I know how we do it. We go size. Well, it'll be fine. Well. Maybe we go size updated dot omit, just like this, and then up here we go signal size updated, say, and then we go tail segment. Here we go head dot size updated dot connect update size. And here we go func update. Well. We need to do this. We need to do all of this anyway. So this is just the update segment. Because the time behind is based on the size, and we set the scale anyway. And this changes. We want to change this, I think. Save. So here, because this is what we're calling in this one, we can go size updated on, and that will handle everything nice. How do we know if it's a tail or not? Because we know this new one will be the tail. Can we, do we... Let's just go like, new segment added, dot emit, save, and up here we can go signal new segments added, save. Now, when a tail gets added, we go here, we go head dot new segment added dot connects, change to mid, and then we go here, we go func change to mid. We just go sprite.mid. And then also we can now disconnect from this. Disconnect from change to mid. And that should fix that if it all works. Client. Clients. Play. Spectate. Okay, disconnect. Okay, let's get big. Oops. Yeah, let's get big. Nice and long. Because that's usually when it happens, is when we're nice and long. Like so. Schneck. Oh. Oh yeah, we're pretty long. We should check. So we go client spectate. Okay, they're all tails still. God damn. Wait, they did update. Why does that happen? That doesn't make sense. Add tail. New segment added to omit. Do I go again? Oh yeah, like that. Wait, it's not even correct. Wait, it wasn't even correct. What was going on there? Hang on, let's disconnect again. Client spectate. Spectate. Right. Tails. Add child. Size updated. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah, that does not work. Hmm. Hmm. What if we go tail dot global position is equal to global position of the head before we add the child. It's all right. Is it the right way round? It is. Well, no, it's not. Is it behind? Like when we connect, is it just behind? Okay. Uh what is even going on? Because like we've turned up and it's not going up yet. Oh, I know what's happening. I think all the Fimshes are spawning at 0, but then later on they get put in their location that they're meant to be, but they're not snapping to it. Is that a consequence of the thing I did over here? Let me go. Var first position updates. Var first position update equals false here, and then when we get the new position, so zoom update scale, so add point, client set points, calculate size, physics process, client process. So handle player position. If we are not it, then this is for sending our position, sucking food, rotate player, client update position. So no, this is for sending. Wait. Handle position data. If player position broadcast. Oh, this is server. Okay. Oh yeah, this one. This is where we go. If this just sets target position and target angle. Right, so we go if first position updates, else do this. And if it is the first position update, then we go global position is equal to, well, we do this anyway. But if it is the first update position, we go global position is, well, it's not even about that. Well, it is kinda. Oh yeah, what it is about actually is where do we use this target position? Because it's when we snap it to exactly this position, we need to do the resets physics interpolation here. Play. And then we go client spectate. Oh yeah, it's clearly wrong. Okay, that didn't work. Why? Like I'm facing to the left, well up currently, but yeah, it does like when If I change this back to tick speed and go play and spectate, yeah, it does not. Yeah, okay, it's aligned now. Okay, it's not about this yet. Or is it? Or is it? Wait, why is this still moved towards? Oh, I just have it moving towards it faster. What if we make it snap to position and then reset physics interpolation? How about this? How about them apples? Play. Nice, and then we go client spectate. Okay. Okay, that's a lot better. Disconnect. Play spectate. Okay. I have a feeling that this will feel different when we have other players and some more ping than what I have currently, but it's alright. Disconnect. Client spectate. Yeah, okay. Why are they all tails? What if I presume all of them are not tails? How would I do that though? Why are they... why... I swear I think would have made them mids. If we head to tail again. Head to tail. Change to mid. This happens when new segment added. Push warning. Changing to mid. Okay, so we should get a spam of like however many segments we have from whoever's spectating. We go play. And then client spectate. Yeah, that's kind of messed. Yeah, we got the... okay, I need to bring the path up because the path is wrong here. Something happened. Stop. Player, this one. Visualize the path, please. Client. Play. Client spectate. Yeah. Stop. Yeah, we did get a bunch, but only after it got a new food. Well, wait, hang on. I don't know which one is this is the server. Okay, let me go play. Client spectate. Let me stop. Okay, so changing mid 3. Yeah, we okay, when we add the tails on the spectator, it's not correct. Why is that? Why is that? Yo, where did my browser go? I was pretty sure I had a browser open with oh yeah, it's here, nice. Stwale. Yeah, I've been so tempted to pull more on my other accounts, but I really shouldn't. Like, it's a bad time to pull. It's a bad time to pull. Let me think. So we're not getting the updates we should be getting. Why is that? So player. Well, do we omit this? Maybe it's like we're adding it too soon, and so it's not connected. So if I go to tail, we go here, we go, yeah, changing to mid is fine, but then under player, when we add tail, find add tail. Wait, is there, yeah, add tail here. Rent since new segment added. Now we should see this followed by change to mid over and over again. No, they shouldn't be too. Yeah. I think you understand. So we just have that running. Client spectates. Stop. Yeah, here we are. New segment added. Oh wait, the other one's a push. Shit. Push warning. Play. Okay, client. Client spectate. Oh, it updated. It updated correctly. Yeah, see, segment added, then this, then changing to mid, new segment added. Yeah. It should look like this, segment added, changing to mid over and over again. Alright. Alright. Wait, so here. Okay, what about here we go. Well no, this is fine. That is fine actually, because we do all the stuff we need to on startup here. Size updated. Oh wait, we have a number of segments. Oh wait. This is easier than it should be. So we'll get rid of new segment added. Right? And then whenever we update the segment, we go if head dot number of segments is greater than segment number, then we go change to mid, save. And if we head to player, we no longer need the new segment added signal. Then we click play. Client play. Okay, and then we go client spectate. Yeah, okay, that looked like it worked. Disconnect player segment. Nice. Disconnect client spectate. Oh, it's doing the thing. You can't see it. Like, look, it's doing the thing. How does that happen? Well, that's a bug. It's always in the wrong direction. Well, until then. Huh. Stop. So we no longer need this. Save. Yeah, okay, that's gone. Yeah, that was spamming the chat clear. That's fine. Let's click play again. Okay, let's see if we can get that to happen again. We go play client spectate. Nothing. Client spectate. No. Disconnect. Client spectate. No client not play. Client spectate. Oh, we got it. Okay, so I guess we look at the data. Maybe Godot check if in out curve 2D is backwards. Because that's kind of what's happening is the in out of curve is the wrong way around. Somehow. Yeah, so add point position in out index. Adds a point with specified position relative to the curve's own position in and out if the index given is a new point inside or before existing point identified in index. Every existing starting point from index is shifted further down the list of points. Index must be greater than or equal to 0, must not exceed the number of existing points in the line. Hmm. Thinking. Let's check the in and out. Maybe the in and out is wrong. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, let's read that out and in, because I guess player. Well, it's either could it be rotation? Could it be a rotational issue? Like when the player spawns, if it thinks it's the opposite direction to the way it actually is, that curve for the entire duration will be backwards. But then when we add a new player, the new segment, it should fix itself, but it doesn't for quite some time. Do we have the rotation here? We don't have the right. Whoa. Okay, what if I add rotation to this? We're just one more U32. Like, who's gonna notice? Var rotation. No, it's an F32, right? Yeah. A float. Thank you for ordering me, sir. Yeah. Actually, this should be after update count. I think. Yeah, after update. Well, no. After points, we'll go rotation. Points, rotation, float. And here we go. Info dot rotation equals rotation. Thank you for the head pack. And then yeah, here we just go copy, paste, float. Okay, so 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, like that. And also +4 here. +4, +4, +4. And then here we go this one. Points. This is now rotation. Decode float. Oh, this needs to be rotation. I would not change that. That would have been a bug. Okay, so 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, 33, I believe. Save. I really should have this automatically do it, but anyway. Okay, now we need the player to actually send that, so where is our update curve? Yeah, here. Points, rotation. And then when we receive it, so player spawner, so game player spawner. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we have the player position and we go player dot rotation equals rotation. Does player not have a rotation? Oh, wait. Fimsh dot rotation. Yeah. We already have global position there. Okay, nice. Now we click play. Let's see if we can get it to happen again. Client playing. Client spectate. Oh yeah, that's perfect. We go disconnect. Client spectate. It's perfect again. What the? Disconnect. Let's do a circle. Client spectate. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. What if we go this way? We go disconnect. Let's go down. Client spectate. Oh, that was close. Disconnect. Client spectate. Okay, it looks like it's fine. Well, yeah. Disconnect. Client spectate. Yeah, okay. It's looking fine. Nice. Oh yeah, I think we fixed it. Yeah, nice. Poggers. Okay, we have a bunch of things we need to stop doing. Wait, what? What? Why do we have this again? I thought we fixed this. Broadcast. Uh, ready state is not equal to state open, returning failed. Is that because we disconnected? Ready, remove a live peer, on peer connect, on peer disconnect. Or here, we need to remove that, so yeah, we get this. Copy. Yeah, remove meta ready. Is that what it is? I like something that's not meta, but it is what it is. This is server network. Oh, did I set in here? Yeah, socket get meta. Set meta. Oh, we just set it to false then. We go set meta false. Wait. Don't we have network signals for disconnect client? Yeah, we do. Okay, we're gonna okay. We're gonna hijack this actually. Oh wait, this is the wait. Yeah, the server does nothing. Well, the server doesn't do nothing. Well, does it? Okay, we'll go here and we'll go network signals dot disconnect clients. Disconnect peer. Let's go disconnect peer and then we pass in peer ID. Save. Yeah, we go func disconnects peer. Void. Boom. Yeah, okay, and then this has a peer ID of ints, and then this is just peers. I think that's fine. Yeah, because this only happens when it's open, which is fine. And then when it closes, it's a different thing entirely. Okay, let's see if this still works. Play. Client play. Client spectate. Disconnect. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yes. Very nice. This one, we don't need to push warning anymore. Not in these ones at least. Yeah, we won't do this anymore. Convert to the overridden to physics mode due to physics interpolation. I don't know what this means. Yeah, it doesn't like that. We'll just delete that. Save. Wait, where? Where is this? Script reload. Float is converted to int, losing position. Where? Main GD 19. Oh, right, this is just 0. Okay, that's fine. This does nothing. Save. This one also does nothing. Save. This one does nothing. Save. Local function spawn food is shadowing already defined function on function parameter. Oh, this. Let's just rename it to new food. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It is whatever. Godot will be happy. Yeah, we don't use delta time here, so we'll just do that. Well, I'm pretty sure this never happens, but anyway, that's fine. Helden, hello. Food was eaten. The parameter by Fimsh is never used. Oh yeah, that's fine. I'll just underscore it, that's fine. Yeah, okay. We don't use any of these parameters, that's fine, because we connect this to something, right? Yeah. Prefix. Function player index is shadowing already declared local variable in class. Right. We're just gonna go index, maybe. And then everything else is fine. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, underscore delta, underscore idx. Yeah, I really want that offer Finch clump as a redeem. That'd be funny. Local function parameter ID is shadowing already. For this ID. Great. We're gonna call this new ID. And this is new ID. Yeah. That's fine. Process is never used, that's fine, we save that. Process is never used, save that. We don't use ID, that's all good. Right, this is child count equals 0. This is child count minus 1. We do that again? Oh yeah, we do, yeah. Child counts, save. Okay, nice. Okay, we'll just change this to new player, easy enough. Save. Perfect. Integer division, the decimal part will be discarded. That's fine. That's what we want. Is there like a div I function? Godot integer division. Is there a specific function I can call? Okay, in GDScript, divide actually causes a pause error because only device is right, blah blah blah. To do integer division, usually do something like float x over y, which looks pretty disgusting, but the same this makes the engine happy. If you really want to do integer division without if you really want integer division without any extra syntax, you can simply suppress the warning by @ignore warning. Yeah, we'll just go @ignore warning. Integer division. Wait, where did it go? What? @ignore warning integer division. No, I didn't press it fast enough. Integer division. Integer division. Like this? Maybe it's just at ignore warning. Ignore warning. Int egg okay, into the division. Save. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this we can go delete that. Height is never used. Yeah, we'll underscore this. Well, we'll just get rid of this actually. Save. Oh wait, this is the arrow. I'll just comment it out for now. Local variable spawn food is shadowing. This will be spawn food data, and then spawn food data dot broadcast. That's fine. Float to int, narrowing conversion. What is a float and what is an int? Wait, value is a float? Oh, this is int. Yeah. Food values is an int. Yeah. That's fine. Nice. Right. What did we call the other one? Because we called it did we call it like new ID or something? I don't remember where it was. It was in one of these. It didn't like one of them. Oh yeah, new ID. Yeah. So we'll just go new username, I guess. Save. Request spawn. No, my thank signal request spawn is declared but never explicitly used in the class. Save. Do we not use that? Oh, we don't. Client spectate. Still spectating play. Oh wait, we do use that. Okay, stop. Wait, we've broken things. Okay. Alright, what did we break? Error calling, handle food spawn. Oh, this. Spawn food data. That's what's happening. Playing. Okay. Play. Expecting. Oh, nice. Stop. We go back to player. Was it in player? It was like. Was it a signal in here? No. Let's go back to our warnings.
Gundorf TV says day Fimsh 6.
Yeah, it is day from 6. You're right. You're right. Oh yeah, request spawn. Save. Client. Play? Okay, that seems to be working. Disconnect. Play. Nice. All right. Player died. Single player died is declared but never used. I'm pretty certain we use player died. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Play. Play. Stop. Yeah, wait. Yeah, we never use it on this, is what I guess it's saying. Yeah, okay. Unused signal. Can I go at no warning unused signal like this? Play. Stop. No. What if I just put it on top of player died? Stop. Yeah, okay. Handled food sucked is also a thing. Set King Fimsh. I'll leave that one there. Integer. Oh yeah, we go ignore warning. Let me find integer division. Save. Okay. ID is overshadowed. Will remote ID. We have remote ID. Save. And that should be fine. This is a new ID. Like so. That's fine. Oh right, new remote IDs as well. Save. Old position. Declared but never used. Nice. Grow speed. Okay. Oh, wait. This is we're gonna go left question mark. Yeah, that's fine. Velocity. This is predicted velocity. Fine. Process does nothing. the parameter curve. Oh shit. Okay. We're gonna go new underscore. Yeah, copy, paste, paste, paste. Oops. Paste, 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 paste. Yeah, nice. And then we just update these accordingly. Save. And these are all the ones we just did. Oh, yeah. New ID, new player ID. Like so. Save. Print value. Save. Did I not? Yeah, there we go. Process does nothing. Save. Delta time is not used. Nice. Impressive. Float is converted to ints. That's what we want. So we float this. Is this what they were complaining about? Maybe. We'll get there soon enough, I'm sure. Yeah, okay. So we need the new prefix again. New position, new points, new ID, new position, new points. Oops. Save. New username, new position, new ID. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. It's fine. New ID. Oh, wait, is that what are we left with after that? I click play, client play, red chillin, client spectate, red chillin, disconnect, player play. This one will disconnect, and then we'll just close everything. But yeah, 14 warnings. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, this did not fix it, so we go at ignore warning. It's like narrowing conversion. Yeah, we don't care about this. We ignore that. Oh, that's fine. Start client, so connecting to server. That's fine as a warning, I think. Spawn player with curve. Oh yeah, this camera one. Camera 2D overwritten to physics process mode. I think I'll leave that. Yeah, and these ones have four warnings. Okay, nice. Pog. We do have a bunch of print lines, which I don't know where they are, but I guess we'll find them one day. Let me just commit all that, because we made a lot of changes. We add scenes, packet handler, yeah. Git status. What's left? Main. Git add. Main. Git commit. Doing warnings. X, Y, git push. Nice. What else did we need? Oh, right. Did we fix the tail issue? I don't remember. Save player. Let me get rid of the players line, because we definitely fixed the line issue, but I didn't even make an issue for that. So we go here. Client playing, client spectate. Yeah, it looks like it is. So we'll disconnect from this one. We'll play for a hot minute here until we get long, and then we'll spectate with other character, other client to see if it's correct. Yeah, eating. Yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Okay, nice. I think we're long enough. So if I go like this, we're going to be going down. Client spectate. Yeah, okay, perfect. And we have no... Okay, nice. Okay, stop. Okay, so Fimsh tail when you join, they haven't grown. Yep, nice. 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 Okay, all of that's completed. One bug left. Tabbed out still has issues. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Visuals still have the... I don't think we want blue circles under for long. Nah, no, we're not having that. Fake food. I don't know. This is a question mark. I don't think this happens anymore. So I'm just gonna delete it. Oh yeah, arrow showing the shape of the largest Fimsh and controller support. How do we do that? Actually, controller support. How do we determine where the player is going currently? Or enabling and disabling controller might be an option in the settings. Mm-hmm. So it's probably under its movement thing. Head collision. Where is process? Add tail, path point max, update, endpoints, client points, calculate size, physics process, client process, server player, client rotate input. Oh, yeah. This. How do we get the controller input? Godot controller input. Is the input map something I can configure for mouse input? Show built-in actions. UI accept. Oh, wait, there's a lot of things I'll need to do because I need to select buttons and all that. Right? Wait. Does it work currently? Where's my... I don't think it will work currently. Wait, I have a controller plugged in. So if I click play, yeah, it doesn't do anything currently. That's fine. Stop. Uh, the plugins. Action. Hmm. Uh, audio, animation, physics, debug, rendering, localization, GUI, input devices, pointing. Compatibility, sensors, pen tablet, Buffering. Agile event flushing. True. Key touch joysticks will be flushed before every idle and physics frame. If false, such events will be flushed once per process frame between iterations of engine. Enabling this can greatly improve responsiveness to input, specifically in devices that need to run multiple physics frames per visible process frame because they can't run at the target frame rate. Currently only implemented on Android. Okay, that does not matter. Okay. Close. Since Godot 4.5, it relies on SDL3. That is interesting. When you have two axes such as joystick or WASD, on both axes to behave as a single input, use input.getVector. So here we go, input.getVector. Move left, move right, move forward, move back. This is a vector. We'll go var direction. What type is this? Velocity will be a vector 2. Okay, this is vector 2. The ideal line blow is similar to get vector, except that it handles the dead zone in a less optimal way, resulting in dead zone will have square shape, which should ideally have a circular shape. Okay. So if I make this velocity, we multiply this by speed. Save. Now we click play. Now this is gonna be. This is not gonna work very well. Okay. It says input map move back doesn't exist. Do you mean UI? Okay. Is it backwards? No, it says move back. What? Project settings, input map. How do I add a new action? Oh, we go move forward. Let's go up. We go add. We added up. What does that look like? Searching for up. Action. Add event. Oh, keyboard key. W. Keyboard key W. Okay. Add joy button, D-pad. Well, let's go up. Joypad axis, left stick down. No. We want up. We want up, not down. I typed in up. Oh. Up. D-pad up. Yes. We add in joystick, left stick up. Okay. We add in nothing, I guess. Now we want down. So down. Oh, we want S first, please. S. Okay. We add down. Oh wait, this is wrong. Down. D-pad down. Okay. Left stick down. Oh wait, is it joystick 3 down or yeah, it says left stick down. Okay, that's fine. Nice. Oh wait, this is not all up. Oh no. Add new action. Down. Add. Can I? It won't let me drag it. My god. Yeah, we'll get rid of these then. Down, S. Here we'll go S. Oops. That's a lot of Fimshies. Oh, yeah, S. Okay. Oh, wait. We want down arrow as well. Down. Oops. Down. This one. Up. Wait. Oh, shit. This one's down. My god. Okay. Down goes away. This one. Oops. This one should be up. Oh, why is this shift S? No. S. Okay, nice. Down S. This one is down, so down. Left stick down. D-pad down as well. Nice. Okay, so up, down, left. Yeah, I'm not recording this, my god. Too many things with the A in it. Left. Yep, that's good. Joypad. D-pad left. Wait, are the others all devices? Yeah, okay, thank god. I saw some of them were specific devices and I was like, oh no. Left. We're still on left. Okay, left. Axes. Left stick. Left. Yes. Okay, nice. Now we just need right. Add. We need to find the D. Okay, found it. Right. Okay, yeah, the right arrow. We need the D-pad right, and then the left stick right. Okay. With all of that done, holy close. We should be able to go left, right, up, down, play, play, uh, play. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, my controller works. Well, does it? Why do I default back to the thing? It does work, but when I let go, it defaults to going right. Is that a joystick problem? Oh, I guess if there's no input, I mean, if there's no input, it shouldn't change. Oh, I think what's happening is we go velocity, squared length is less than. Do we have ellipson? Ellipson. Ellipse? What is it? Son. Ellipson. Yo, I forgot a thing from my to-do list. Oh no. Yeah. Red flowers. Okay, that's fine. Cross. 0 near vector Godot vector is 0. So what did they say they added? Is is approximately equal to yeah, vector to 0. In this case, then well, here we put ideal angle up here, and then here we go ideal angle is equal to rotation. Play. Play. Oh yeah, look at that. And if I do controller, yeah. Nice. Arrow keys. Nice. And then mouse. Okay, how do we do mouse? Well. Stop. Okay, so when the left click is pressed, okay, I need the toilet. I'm gonna be a bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, baby. Okay. Right. I need to put a little thing on. So um yep. We need to enable and disable inputs, I believe. Yeah. So it will probably be under the player, right? Yeah. We go var controller input. Well, var mouse input, and then var other input. Mouse input equals true. Other input equals false. And we come down to here. Uh, Here we go. If mouse input, then velocity. Yeah, we overwrite the velocity we calculate from the yellow one. Yeah, okay. Now, if I click play, the mouse input will work, but nothing else will. It did not work. Why did that not work? Mouse input true, other input false. Yeah, if we go bar velocity vector 2 is equal to vector 2 dot 0. If other input velocity is equal to that, then ideal angle var ideal angle is a float and equal rotation, the current rotation, and here yeah, if other inputs enabled, we do the other input stuff. Then if this is enabled, then we do this. So this is ideal angle dot equals velocity dot angle. Well, we can just put them both here, right? Like this. Like, way nice. And then yeah, the other ones don't work. Wait, now stop. What we want is maybe this goes under config. I think this goes under config. So if we move this into config, config, let's go global. This is equal to false, and this one equals true. Save. Go back to player, down to here. Yeah, global config dot other input global config.mouse input. Okay, this should have the same thing. Yeah, nice. Okay, stop. And then if we go to global config, we go func process. Or is it? Func key input. What is this? Unhandled key input. Called when input event hasn't been consumed by input or any GUI control. Underscore input. Underscore input. If event dot is action up. If it is the up action, then we go other input equals true and mouse input is equal to false. But if event dot what's this? We go pressed. Let's go left click, save, new action, left click, well, let's just have one action, right? No, we'll just go left click. Mouse, buttons, we want the left mouse button. Keyboard keys, yeah, left mouse button. Close. Then we go if event dot is action pressed, left click. Then we go mouse input equals true and other input equals false. Save. Click play. Yeah, okay, it does swap correctly. Well, yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, wait. I need another one. The controller X button. So, boop. Close this. We go project settings. We go accept button. Add. This is the south. No. Joypad buttons. Start left stick, right stick, left shoulder, right shift. D-pad, export pad. This one. Okay. Close. And then we go or event is action pressed. Accept button. Yeah, this will change it to controller as well. Nice. We want. What do we want? Right, I think we'll have a little, just some signals. We go controller input enabled, signal keyboard input enabled, signal mouse input enabled. So here this is mouse input enabled dot emit. This one we'll just check it again. Oh wait, how do I do that then? Well, we know if it's the accept button. We go if, then this is controller input enabled dot emit. But how do I know for event is action pressed? Actually, you know what? Instead of up, we'll have controller accept and then keyboard accept. And if it's controller accept, then we do this one, else keyboard input enabled.emit, save. Wait, we can do that with project settings. Wait, accept button, this is controller accept. This is mouse accept. Yeah, and then we need keyboard accept. And then keyboard accept is the up arrow or W. W or the up arrow. Or this. Well, if we're up. Yeah, W up or spacebar. Spacebar. Space. Yeah, okay, there we go. We have mouse accept, controller accept, keyboard accept. Close. What I'll do here is we'll just go. We'll just put these as if, different ifs. That one. Then that way we don't need to check this twice. Keyboard emit. Yeah, okay. And then this is mouse accept. All right, nice. Now in what? In game? I guess where points is, right? Well, it's kind of where points is, right? Uh, this would be the header then, because like what I would do is we go VBox like so, boom. Oh wait, what? Oh, we go add control node here. Let's go timeline, and then add child, another control node. This has like 20y or something. Whoa, wait. That's not inside position. No. After position. Then we have another one that is a label. This is rename input status. I think I make my own script for this. Great. Yeah, so we go global config dot controller input enabled commits. Controller input. Oh, wait. We have the fading thing. How do we do that? Menu. Error label. We have this. Fade out. Okay, we need something to control this. That is not it. Fade out. Yeah, I'm gonna presume those are fine. We might need to tweak this. I do need this. Add script. Where did that script go? Input status. I'll just attach that here. And we'll go export input status label is of label type var. Yeah. Connect func controller input bus. And this goes here. Then here we go input status label dot. Wait. Save. Running tween function. Start tween. Wait. Do we have to click? Do we start tween? Is that how we call it? Error label. Display error. Find. Visible is false. Display error, and then we make it visible. Is that it? We just need to make it visible? Oh yeah, visibility changed. Nice. Okay. Go back to game. Yeah, so in here we go input status label dot visible equals false. Yeah, we go input status label dot visible equals true, but only after we go input status label dot text is equal to controller input enables copy paste copy paste. This is now mouse input and keyboard input. Mouse input. Okay, now we should have a nice little thing that tells us when we change inputs. Let's have a look if it worked. Play. Okay, it died. It died immediately. Okay, where did we go wrong? Tell us. Not here apparently. Wait, what? Label can only be assigned to VBooks. Oh. Stends VBooks container save. Play. Okay, we got another error. It save. Label settings of font color. Did I not set the font color? Oh, I haven't set the font, I think. Theme overrides? Fonts? What do I have for the other one? Main label. No. Label settings. We have this though. Label settings. And then I come back to game. Label setting. Oh, here. Font size, color, outline. Yeah, okay. So if I go save now and then we click play. Okay, it worked. Okay, it launched. Yeah, it launched. Yeah, so doing anything here doesn't show it, and we go create play. Okay, this does not, it does not tell us, it does not show up. Did I not make visible true? Visible true, it is true. What? Tween. Menu. 10 transquad. Game. Okay, so we go 10. Trans quad. Okay, what other differences are there? I think it's fine. Horizontal alignment. Let's go center. Input. Oh, that's not good. It changes where points is. Yeah, okay, it's not working. Okay, stop. Is it because we're not getting... Oh, right. I didn't connect the rest of these. This is mouse input enabled. Mouse input. And then keyboard input enabled. Keyboard input, save. It did work. We need to do it only when it changes. Mouse input enabled. Keyboard input enabled. Okay, yeah. We have a few problems. One is where's global config? Here. Color input. Okay, we'll go keyboard input. Cool. Let's go controller input actually. Controller input. This is temp. Here we go. This is controller input, which is true. But if we go false. But wait, so here we go if if temp controller input is true and we switch to keyboard, then we say keyboard is and here is if temp control, if we're not on the temp controller, then we input controller enabled, and then this one is if mouse input, then we return. Oh yeah, that's this one's if mouse puts we return. This one is we either omit the keyboard one or omit this one and then update which one we are on. So this is true now, and that one is false. Okay, so that should stop it from doing the thing, and then the other thing we need to do is this code. When we change visibility, where is it? Visibility start tween. I think what we can do is not visible return. We just go input status. Wow. How would I do this? Set visibility. Set label visible, and then we go input if input status label dot visible. If it is visible, then we set it to false. Then we set it to true. It's silly. I think this works. And then we just grab this, and then we just do this here. Sadly, I have to finish up soon. I have a thing on. Wait, what am I doing? Oh right, testing visibility. It didn't work. It's not changing. Oh, mouse input enabled. Wait, mouse input enabled works. It stays around for way too long. We need to make it go away a lot faster. Okay, yeah, and I can't re-trigger mouse input, that's good. Now if I press this, controller input enabled. Oh, nice. Mouse input enabled, nice. Keyboard input, okay. So the problem is... Stop. I think keyboard accept event, controller accept, mouse accept event. Project settings. So it's either left mouse button, the X button. Well, yeah, okay. This one is W. I mean, this is probably fine. Why? Hang on. So we click play and we're playing, and then I do controller. Oh, it doesn't work. Wait. Okay, controller doesn't work. Keyboard doesn't work until we press W. Okay, keyboard though, it does not. It does not tell us we changed the keyboard. Okay. Why is that? Stop. You need what if you're just translinear? Oh wait. Maybe the duration should be like 2. Yeah, okay, nice. Controller input enabled, keyboard input enabled. Mouse. Wait, so from mouse to keyboard it doesn't work. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, global config, that's here. If temp controller input or mouse input save. Same with this one. Or mouse input client play. Keyboard enabled, mouse input enabled, keyboard enabled, mouse input enabled, controller enabled. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Technically, wait, that's fine. That's fine. I think that's fine. What I need to do is to stop it from affecting the points. What if I put it here? And then I put that one there. And then this has another one there. But then this is like, I don't know, 50. Oh shit, that's not much. What if I go like 100? No, they still affect each other. Wait, what if I undo? Oh, wait, yeah. We put points back here. And then we go new aspect ratio container. Center top. Yeah, this one. Layout. Center top. And then we put in input status, but then we put in a control node before it, and then this. Delete this. Go like 100. There we go, play. Oh wait, I broke the connection. Input statistic. Yeah, save. Play. Okay, did not like that. Yeah, it's not. Let's just go control. Because it will be on a UI node. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Very nice. Okay, we want some more settings actually. We want like another setting, and that will be, what will that be? Settings. Well, I have to finish actually. Okay, so here we'll go add settings for disabling controller, mouse or keyboard. Yeah, that's fine. Is there anything else we need? I don't think so. So it's this credit scene. Arrow would be nice. Controller support done. Nice. Boost. Yeah. Okay, we're very close. Nice. Okay. Bog. Bog. Wait, is there someone to raid? Mm, 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 mm. That is the question of the day. Let me get rid of all my Godot nodes. Yo, YouTube viewers, hello. Unfortunately, we are finishing up for today. I would keep going, but I have things to do. Things to do. Oh, yo, we can raid a uke. We're gonna raid a uke. Yeah, they're doing some cool stuff. I don't know what exactly it is today, but that's okay. I accidentally clicked off my stream, so I cannot raid. Raid uke. Wait, thank you everyone for chilling today. Yeah. I know. I'm very keen to get this done. We're getting so close. It's fantastic. Yeah. Ooh, because we'll have one more playtest like a few days before I have to submit it, and then everything will be live, and we'll play stop updating it at that point and just fix any bugs if any appear, and we'll be good to go. Exciting. Okay, thank you everyone. Enjoy Yuke's stream and have a good one.